They are creatures of profound familiarity. We see them in our homes, curled up in a patch of sunlight. We watch them prowl our city streets with a silent, confident grace. They have been our companions for thousands of years. Their images carved into the stones of ancient civilizations, their stories woven into our modern lives. The domestic cat is perhaps the most successful carnivore on the planet, a small predator that has conquered the globe by our side. Yet, for all this closeness, how much do we truly understand about them? Behind the gentle purr and the affectionate rub lies an animal of extraordinary design, shaped by millions of years of evolution to be a perfect hunter. To know the cat is to look beyond our assumptions, into a world of exquisite biological engineering. This journey is not just about the cats we think we know. It is about all cats, from the smallest to the largest, from the jungle to the desert. The story of the cat is a story of survival, of adaptation, and of predatory perfection. A tale written in their very bones, in the unique construction of their muscles, and in the incredible sensitivity of their senses. To truly appreciate this animal, we must strip away the layers of myth and affection. We must look at them not as pets, but as a masterpiece of natural selection. We will explore the intricate machinery that allows a cat to leap with such precision, to see in the dark, to hear sounds far beyond our own range of perception. This is the cat as a biological marvel. For decades, scientists, naturalists, and filmmakers have been captivated by this familiar mystery. They have dedicated their lives to documenting every aspect of the cat's existence. They have filled archives with countless hours of footage, detailed field notes, and rigorous scientific studies. These records provide an unparalleled window into the secret life of cats. They show us the world from their perspective, a world of heightened senses and split-second decisions. Within these archives, we find the evidence of their incredible abilities. We can witness the mechanics of a pounce, slowed down to reveal its flawless execution. We can see the subtle flick of an ear as it pinpoints the location of hidden prey. This is where the truth of the cat is stored. In this film, we will unlock these archives. We will bring this wealth of scientific observation to light, piecing together the complete story of this extraordinary animal. We will move from the microscopic to the macroscopic, from the function of a single whisker to the complex social dynamics of a feral colony. Our guide will be the evidence itself, collected over many years by dedicated researchers around the world. We invite you to join us on this exploration. It is a chance to see a familiar creature in a completely new light. Prepare to look closely, to listen carefully, and to discover the magnificent predator that walks among us, often unseen and almost always underestimated. This is the cat, uncovered. Our exploration begins with a simple promise. We will show you the cat as it has been scientifically observed, recorded, and understood. This is not a story of guesswork or folklore. It is a narrative built upon a foundation of hard evidence, drawn from a vast collection of scientific archives. We will journey through time, examining early anatomical drawings that first revealed the secrets of the cat's skeleton. We will look at pioneering studies that first decoded their unique sensory world. Every claim, every revelation, is supported by years of meticulous research. The purpose is to present a clear, factual, and deeply fascinating portrait of one of nature's most elegant designs. We will see the cat not just as a single species, but as a family of finely tuned athletes and survivors. The narrative voice you hear, calm and measured, is a guide through this dense library of information. The tone is one of authority, but also of deep respect and wonder for the subject. We will use simple, direct language to explain complex biological concepts. The aim is to make the science accessible to everyone, without sacrificing accuracy. Our journey will be structured into 3 main acts. First, we will dissect the cat's remarkable body, its physiology. We will look at the skeleton. We will look at the muscles. We will look at the senses. We will look at the internal systems. We will understand why a cat always lands on its feet. and how it can move with such silence and speed. From there, our second act will focus on the hunt itself. Predation is the central driving force in the cat's life. It has shaped its body, its mind, and its behavior. Using archival footage from around the world, we will break down the different stages of the hunt: the stalk, the chase, the pounce, the final, precise bite. We will examine how cats learn these vital skills through play, and how they adapt their techniques for different types of prey. Mouse in a field, bird in a city park. We will see the world through the eyes of the predator, where every movement and every sound is a potential clue, a matter of life and death, of success or failure. Finally, in our third act, we will explore the cat's incredible adaptability. We will see how different species of cat have conquered almost every environment on Earth: searing heat of the desert, dense canopy of the rainforest, concrete canyons of our own cities. This is a story of survival against the odds, a testament to the cat's versatile design. By examining the archives, we can trace the path of domestication and understand how this wild hunter came to live alongside us. This film is an invitation. It is an invitation to look beyond the surface and to appreciate the complex, fascinating, and powerful animal that is the cat. Join us as we open the archives and begin our scientific journey. To understand the cat, look beneath its soft fur. Examine the elegant architecture within. The cat's skeleton is a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering, built for explosive action and stealth. It has around 250 bones, more than humans, many extra bones in its spine, many extra bones in its tail. Unlike other mammals' rigid clavicles, a cat's clavicles are small and free-floating, embedded in muscle. That allows the cat to narrow its shoulders dramatically, squeeze through any opening large enough for its head, pursue prey into tight spaces, escape from larger threats. The true secret is the spine. It's very supple, composed of 53 vertebrae. Humans have 33. The discs are especially elastic, allowing the spine to twist, bend, and arch. When a cat runs, its spine compresses and extends, acting like a powerful spring to lengthen stride and boost speed. This lets the cat gallop, back legs landing far ahead of the front legs, doubling body length with each bound. Archived slow-motion studies show how the backbone powers every leap. The design aids the hunt. Cats coil like a loaded spring before a pounce, storing, then releasing it instantly. This coiling is visible in observational footage, a still, tense pause, then the attack. Spinal rotation lets a cat contort mid-air, enabling the righting reflex. The skeleton supports powerful muscles and enables silent, agile ambush movements. Leg bones are dense, yet lightweight. Cats are digitigrade, they walk on their toes. Hind leg angle gives leverage for jumps vertically onto high shelves, horizontally across gaps. Every bone, from the tip of the tail to the delicate structure of the toes, is part of the predatory blueprint, refined over millions of years. If the skeleton is the blueprint, then the muscles are the engine that drives the cat's incredible athleticism. A cat's body is composed of over 500 individual muscles, each one finely tuned for a specific role in the life of a predator. These are not the muscles of a long-distance runner. Instead, they are the muscles of a sprinter, an acrobat, designed for short, explosive bursts of power. This is most evident in the large, powerful muscles of the hind legs and back. These muscle groups are packed with fast-twitch muscle fibers, which contract very quickly and with great force, providing the propulsive energy for leaping, pouncing, climbing. This is why a cat can jump up to 6 times its own body length from a standing start. The muscular design of the cat is a study in contrasts. While its hindquarters are built for raw power, the muscles in its forelimbs and shoulders are designed for precision, control, and shock absorption. After a high leap, the front legs must absorb the impact of landing, and the muscles around the shoulders and chest act as powerful stabilizers and brakes. This same fine control is crucial for manipulating prey. The cat can deliver a crushing blow with its paws or use them with surprising delicacy to hold a small animal. This combination of brute force and fine motor skill is what makes the cat such a versatile and effective hunter, capable of tackling a wide range of different prey with appropriate force. This muscular system allows for a unique form of movement. Cats do not simply walk, they flow. Their gait is a product of perfectly coordinated muscle contractions, allowing them to move with a silence that is almost supernatural. As they stalk, they lift each paw slowly and deliberately, placing it down with precision to avoid snapping a twig or rustling a leaf. This level of control requires constant feedback between the muscles and the brain. The cat's entire musculature is wired to its keen senses, ready to react in a fraction of a second, to freeze instantly at the hint of danger, or to explode into motion to seize a fleeting opportunity. The energy for this system is immense, yet it is used wisely. The price for this explosive power is a lack of stamina. The fast twitch fibers that enable such incredible acceleration also fatigue quickly due to a buildup of lactic acid. A cat cannot maintain a high-speed chase for very long. This is why its entire hunting strategy is built around stealth and ambush, rather than prolonged pursuit. The hunt is a carefully calculated expenditure of energy. The cat must get as close as possible to its target before committing to the final, energy-intensive pounce. The muscular system, therefore, dictates the behavior. It is a body built for the patient stalk and the sudden, decisive strike, a perfect physical match for the mind of a calculating predator. A predator is ultimately defined by its weapons. The cat is armed with a formidable, specialized toolkit. Its most iconic weapons are its claws. Unlike a dog's claws, a cat's are protractile. They are normally held retracted inside fleshy sheaths in the paw. This is a crucial adaptation. It keeps the claws razor sharp by protecting them from ground contact. When needed, ligaments and tendons engage, and the claws unsheath in an instant. For gripping surfaces while climbing, for holding on to struggling prey, for self-defense, for marking territory by scratching surfaces. The jaw and teeth show the cat is an obligate carnivore. The skull is short and robust for a powerful bite. The jaw moves only up and down, not side to side. Not the grinding jaw of an herbivore, but a shearing jaw of a killer. Small incisors at the front used for gripping and scraping meat from bones. The most important teeth are the 4 long canines. Canines are precision daggers. They deliver a swift, fatal bite, often aimed at the neck, severing the spinal cord or crushing the windpipe. Further back are the carnassial teeth. Specialized molars and premolars act like scissors. When the cat closes its mouth, carnassials slide past each other, slicing through skin, muscle, and sinew. This shearing is far more efficient than chewing. Archival pressure sensor studies show immense force on these edges, allowing even small cats to dismember prey quickly. Finally, the paws, more than platforms for claws. Thick, soft pads serve multiple functions. Shock absorption for jumps and landings. Silent movement, muffled footsteps while stalking. High sensitivity. Nerve endings detect texture and vibration. Scent glands between pads leave chemical signatures with each step. The paws combine stealth technology and sensory input.